engaged, this feed tire is not moving. What we're going to have to do is break this. Okay, in order to turn this shaft around, I grabbed some small channel locks. And we just still not turning. So what we're going to do is, what we've got to do is, this shaft has to turn. You have to be able to turn it by hand from the outside here. So what we're going to do, it obviously is gooed up. We're going to go ahead and take the case off. We're going to go in from the back side and put some solvent in on that shaft. Put it back up to where it was, I guess. We're going to take the case off. Go in from the back side. Okay, to get these case screws off, we use, I believe it is, a 3/16. So 3/16, and I take a sanding disc or something and bevel back these sockets. I may have a photograph to put up on the screen and show what I'm talking about. That allows the socket to get down on the head of these real flat hex screws. Right down here on the bottom, I don't know if you can see that, but one down here. 4 of these little screws around on the perimeter on the front to take off. So we do that, and then there's 2 on the bottom, and those are a 1/4 inch screw, or small hex head screw. Take that one out, okay. Tip it back up, and we should just be able to pull it off. Yep. Slide it right off the back side. Right here, this shaft right here, it's supposed to turn a lot easier than it is. So what I suspect is going on, see, that's not turning. This is supposed to turn. So I'm gonna go get some WD. Okay, this right here is the back side of that feed tire shaft, and there's a little notch here for a screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead, put a little bit of WD on here. Okay, finally, success. We were able to get this feed tire shaft to break loose. It took a lot of WD on both sides of the platen here on this shaft, but in order to get it down in where it needs to be, you want your WD to squirt up as close as you can get it to the back side of this gear here, this drive gear. And then on this side, what you want to do is get it right up here as close as you can. I don't know if we can see that real well, but let me zoom in here just a tiny bit. Okay, right up in here, just as close as you can get to this side of the shaft, and that's It's a little Babbitt bearing in there. That's what that shaft spins on, and it was just solidified from old grease. So some WD up in there loosened it up, and now we've got it. This is what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to spin like that. Right there. That's what it's supposed to do. You have a projector that's not spinning. It's like that. It's kind of making a little ying noise. See? That's what you want to do, is loosen up that shaft so it can spin. So now we can put our feed tire back on. We can get this all cleaned up. Okay, once you have your feed tire drive spindle here all cleaned up, you go ahead and push on the feed tire, and it should be good.